Thutha wa arĩmi mwena wa Bura kaunti-inĩ ya Tana River kumenya mĩgũnda yao no ĩtirie ũrĩmi wa mũcere, aingĩ ao nĩ mambĩrĩirie kũhĩmbĩria mĩaka ĩrĩ thutha wa mĩbango ya igeria gũtabanio. Arĩmi aya marauga ũyũ nĩ ũrĩmi monete ũrĩ na baita makĩria kuma mamenya mbegũ iria mangĩhũthĩra cia mũcere na iria iraiguithania na rĩera rĩa kũu.
Funga mwenyewe mwanzo tulianza na ule bishuri ambako bishuri ilikuja ikaanza kuwa inakataliwa sababu ikipelekwa kwa mtambo inavunjika sana. Lakini baada ya mwaka mmoja tumeilima hiyo bishuri wakaleta hii kuambuka. So sasa hii kuambuka naona ni nzuri sababu hata ikienda kwa mtambo inatoka ikiwa nzima vile vile.
You can see there is a younger crop coming up on the other head. So we are increasing this progressively. And mainly the reason why we are doing progressively is also because of the uptake. Doing hybrid seed is a bit costly, so even the cost of seed is a bit high. But those who have realized the benefit, they can be able to justify buying high cost of seed.
Mbembe nĩcio irakũragio na njĩra nene mwena wa Bura, no rĩu arĩmi maroiga atĩ thoko ya mũcere nĩyo ĩramagucĩrĩria ũrĩmi-inĩ ũyũ ona makĩria.
This is rice that is kind of different with the rice we know from where. This is called komboka. It is aromatic but not as strong as pishori, and if cooked it does not stick like ugali for like the other non-aromatic varieties.
Mete biashara watu hapa Bura ndio nakulangia sana. Nakulangia sana. Kwa sababu nilikuwa napanda mahindi, lakini sasa mapandi mahindi kama mbele, sasa ni kazi ya mchere tu.
No na kũrĩ ũguo arĩmi aya matiagĩte mathĩna macemanĩtie namo ũrĩmi-inĩ ũyũ, makĩria mũno ma kũraraga mĩgũnda-inĩ yao makĩhũrana na nyoni iria iratharĩkĩra mũcere wao.
Kuna wandege, kuna hawa nguruwe wanararisha mchere kuharibu, lakini hivyo tunang'ang'ana, tunajifunga usiku na mchana kuwafukuza kivyovyote vile ili tuone ama tutajimudu kimaisha. We are thinking along adding value to the rice rather than selling the paddy. Maybe the rice we mill it and the farmers can sell it as a packaged product. It will add more margin to them because you compare the price for milled rice goes for about 100 shillings, paddy goes for 40.
Mwĩhoko wao mũnene nĩ atĩ ũrĩmi ũyũ nĩ ũgũkorwo na umithio ona makĩria makĩrutanĩria kũhũnia thoko ya kaunti ya Tana River na itoka ciayo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Macharia.